Let's go to page 609 and let's do the odds. So number 1, you got x minus y equal to negative 5, and you got 3x plus y equal to negative 3. So y is already opposite already. I'm going to make the y opposite, so put under here. So 3x plus y equal to negative 3. When you add, this cancels out. So you got 4x equal to negative 8. Divide by 4, divide by 4. So x equal to negative 2. Once you find x, you need to go and solve for y. So I'm going to use this one here. So got 3 times negative 2 plus y equal to negative 3. Right, again, when you substitute, put in parentheses. So you got negative 6 plus y equal to negative 3. So plus 6 on both sides. So y equal to 3. Okay, let's go to number 3. Got x plus y equal to 5. And x minus 3, y equal to 3. So I'm going to make the x opposite because they are lower coefficients, so easier to do. So I'm going to multiply this by negative 1. So I got negative x plus 3y equal to negative 3. And I'm going to put this one under here. So I got x plus y equal to 5. When I add, cancel out. And that's why it's called elimination method. This got eliminated. So you got 4y. Okay, so when you add, you're going to get 2. So divide by 4, divide by 4, y equal to 1 over 2. Once you solve for y, you can go ahead and solve for x. So I'm going to use this one here. So x plus 1/2 equal to 5. So minus 1/2 minus 1/2. So x equal to, you can use mixed number, that's okay, or you can use improper fraction. So anyway, you can, so 5 minus 1 over 2 will give you 9 over 2. Again, you can use your calculator, or you can just convert this into improper fraction. You can subtract. 5 is equal to 10 over 2. So 10 over 2 minus 1 over 2 give you 9 over 2. Okay, let's go to number 5. Okay, you have x minus 2y equal to 6, and you got 3x minus 2y equal to 12. So in this case, I'm going to make the y opposite because right now they're the same. So I'm going to make it opposite. So I'm going to multiply this by negative 1. So I get negative x plus 2y equal to negative 6. Okay, and I'm going to put under here. So negative x plus 2y equal to negative 6. Again, the key is make one of the coefficient in front of variable opposite, so they will cancel out. Yeah. So this will give you 2x equal to 6. Divide by 2, so x equal to 3. Once you find x, you can look for y. Okay, so I guess you can use this one here. So 3 minus 2y equal to 6. Okay, so minus 3 on both sides. So you got negative 2y equal to 3. Now make sure you line up everything so that way you don't miss anything. So divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. So y equal to negative 3 over 2. Okay, let's go to number 7. You got 2x plus 6y equal to 2. And you got 3x plus 9y equal to 3. So in this case, I'm going to make the x opposite because they are lower numbers, so they'll be easier to do. So 2 and 3, your least common multiple is 6. So I'm going to multiply this by 2 to get to the 6. And I'm going to multiply this by negative 3 because they have to be opposite, right? So minus 6x minus 18y equal to negative 6. So I'm going to put underneath here. And in this case, you end up with 0 equal to 0. Now this is true. That means this is always going to be true. But you don't have the number for the x and the y. That means any number means that equation are identical. Okay? And so the answer will be dependent. So if it's true, it's dependent. Okay, let's go to number 9. Okay, you got y minus 5x equal to 0. You got x minus 5y equal to 0. So this is kind of in the wrong order, so I'm going to switch it. So I'm making the negative 5x plus y equal to 0. And in this case, in this case, it doesn't matter which one you're going to make an opposite. I'm going to make the x opposite, so I need to multiply this by 5. So I get 5x, so you can see the opposite, right? Minus 25y equal to 0. So put this underneath here. When I add this, cancel out. When I add this, I get negative 24y equal to 0. Divide by negative 24, divide by negative 24. So y equal to 0. So once I found y equal to 0, I need to solve for x. And again, doesn't matter which one you use. Let's say if you use this one, so you got negative 5x plus 0 equal to 0. So you got negative 5x equal to 0. Divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5, so x equal to 0. Okay, let's go to 11. You got 7x plus 2y equal to 14. You got 2x minus 3y equal to 4. So this one is going to be kind of messy because the numbers are kind of bad. So I'm going to make the y opposite because they are lower number. So 2 and 3, I need to get to the 6. Okay, so I'm going to multiply by 2. So I get 4x minus 6y equal to 8. And I'm going to multiply this by 3. I notice the numbers are crisscross, right? Okay, and that way you get to this common multiple. So when you multiply, you get 21x plus 6y equal to 42. And I'm going to put this under here. Doesn't matter. Okay. So this will cancel out. So I got 25x equal to 50. Divide by 25. Divide by 25. So x equal to 2. Once I find x equal to 2, I need to look for y. Okay, so I can use this one because the number is a little bit lower than this one. So I got 7 times 2 plus 2y equal to 14. And this is going to be a 14, right? So I'm going to minus 14 on both sides because of that. So this cancel out. So I got 2y equal to 0. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So y equal to 0. Okay, let's go to number 13. You got 2x minus 5y equal to 4. You got 6x minus 15y equal to 8. Okay, so I'm going to make the x opposite because this lower number is easier to work with. So to make them opposite, I need to multiply by negative 3. Right? By multiply by negative 3, I will get negative 6x and see the opposite. Right? And that's a key concept to elimination method. Okay, you want to make them opposite. I'm going to put this under here. And when I add, they all cancel out. Okay, and in this case, this is not true. So that means they contradict each other. So in this case, the answer is inconsistent. And let's go to number 15. 6x plus 4y equal to 2. And I have 3x minus 2y equal to 3. In this case, I'm going to make the y opposite. Okay, it looks like it has lower number, a little bit easier to work with. So I'm going to make the y opposite. So times it by 2. So I got 6x minus 4y equal to 6. I'm going to put this under here. So I got 6x plus 4y equal to 2. When I add, I get 12x equal to 8. Divide by 12, divide by 12. So x equal to 2 over 3. Once I find x, I need to look for y. So I can use this. Doesn't matter. So choose the one that is easier to work with. I don't like the subtractions. So I'm going to use this one. So I got 6 times 2 over 3 plus 4y equal to 2. So I multiply, this will cancel, so you got 4 plus 4y equal to 2. So minus 4, I got 4y equal to negative 2. Divide by 4, so y equal to negative 1 over 2. Okay. Let's go to 17. You have x over y equal to 4 over 5, and x plus 3 over y plus 3 equal to 5 over 6. So again, when you have fraction, okay, you can go and cross multiply. So I got 5x, and I want to put x on the left hand side. So that way, when you try to rearrange the equation, it will be a little bit easier. So equal to 4y. And I'm going to move it into the other side. So minus 4y minus 4y. So I get 5x minus 4y equal to 0. Okay, so I can put it in the proper form. I'm going to do the same thing over here. So I got 6x plus 18 equal to 5y plus 15. Now I'm going to move the variable to the left hand side, move the number to the right hand side. Okay, so minus 5y minus 5y. So that this will cancel out. Minus 18, so this will cancel out. So you want to get rid of the number on this side, and you want to get rid of the variable from this side. So move this over, move this over. So I get 6x minus 5y is equal to negative 3. Okay, so now I have these two equations. So they've been kind of bad. Okay, so I'm going to I'm going to make the y opposite. So I'm going to I need to get to the 20. So I'm going to multiply this by 5. So 25x minus 20y equal to 0. And now I have to get to positive 20. So I need to multiply this by negative 4. Right? Again, so you want to, first you have to determine the least common multiple. Next you have to decide if it's going to be positive or negative. Okay, so I multiply, I get plus 20y. I see again, that's your key. Right? You want to make them opposite so that they will cancel out. So put this under here. So when you add this, cancels out. So I got x equal to 12. So once I find x, I need to look for y. So I'm going to use this one. So 5 times 12 minus 4y equal to 0. And so 60 minus 4y equal to 0. Minus 60 minus 60. So negative 4y equal to negative 60. Divide by negative 4, divide by negative 4. So y equal to 15. Let's go to number 19. Okay, I have x plus 10 over y plus 7 equal to 2 over 3. And I have a 3 minus x over y plus 12 equal to 1 over 2. So again, first let's go and cross multiply. So I got 3x plus 30 equal to, cross multiply, 2y plus 14. And I'm going to move things around to make it nice. So minus 2y minus 2y. So they cancel out. Minus 30 minus 30. So move the variable to this side, move the number to this side. Okay, so this cancels out. So I got 3x minus 2y equal to, and notice I'm trying to not have my equal sign, right? So it would be 16. Okay, now let's go and make this equation nice. So over here, when you multiply, I get 6 minus 2x equal y plus 12. Okay, so you can do the same thing, minus y on both sides, so this will cancel out. And minus 6 on both sides, so this cancel out. So I got minus 2x minus y equal to 6. Okay, and I'm going to make the y opposite because it's a lower number, easier to work with. So I'm going to make I need to multiply this by negative 2. Okay, So when I multiply, I get 4x plus 2y. I can see that's the key. You want to make them opposite. Okay, equal to negative 12. So put this underneath. So put this over here. So when I add, I get 7x equal to 4. Okay. Double check. I think we did something. Okay, double check. Make sure we copy the problem correctly. Okay, cross multiply. So 3x plus 30, 2y plus 14. Okay. Oh, this is negative right here. Okay, there we go. So this would be negative 28. So you have to watch little mistakes. Okay, so this must be negative. Okay, so divide by 7, divide by 7. So x equal to negative 4. Okay, now we have to look for y. So choose an easy equation. We can just use this one. So 4 times negative 4 plus 2y equal to negative 12. So negative 16 plus 2y equal to negative 12 plus 16 plus 16. So I got 2y equal to 4. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So y equal to 2.